Good evening, students. This is Chalamari sir, Mathematics faculty. Now, I am going to discuss that 4th September 2020 mains question paper. Shift 1, already 10 questions I discussed. Now I am going to discuss some more questions. Still now not subscribed my channel. Please subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. Now see the 11th question. Two poles AB and CD of height 15 centimeters and 10 centimeters. Here, two poles are there on the level ground. This is one, this is another one. First one is height 15, second one is 10. A and C are on level ground. This is A, this is C, now this is B, this is D. So join AD, this is, and join BC, this is, and the point of intersection of AD and BC is P. So the height of the P we have to find. Now the height I am taking that H, and this is take Q. AQ length is X, QC length is Y. Here observe that triangle ACD is similar to triangle ABC. ABC. Now these two triangles are congruent. Now I am going to triangle ACD. What we get? H by X, that is equal to 10 divided by X plus Y. So H by X is equal to 10 by X plus Y. This is. Now take cross multiplication. H into X plus Y, that is equal to 10x. Now same like that, go to the another triangle, that is H by Y, that is equal to 15 divided by X plus Y. Now take the cross multiplication, H into X plus Y, that is equal to 15Y. Now here observe that this is 1, this is 2, left hand side both are equal. Now equate them right hand side. 10x is equal to 15y. That means 2x is equal to 3y. Then what is x? X is equal to 3y divided by 2. Substitute here h into 3y by 2 plus y, that is equal to 15y. H, take the LCM here, 5y divided by 2, that is equal to 15y. Now here 5y, 3 is there, cancel. Now what is h? H is equal to 6. So height of the P, that means PQ height is 6 units. Next I am going to another question. You see the question. The mean and variance of 5, 7, 10, 12, 14, 15, A, comma, B are 10 and 13.5 respectively. Then value of modulus of A minus B. So here mean given. Mean means we know that sum of the terms, sum of the observations, 5 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 15 plus A plus B divided by total how many terms are there? 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. is equal to 10. Now here calculate this 5 plus 7. Total we get after calculation. This is 63 plus A plus B, that is equal to 80. Now finally A plus B is equal to 17. So in this relation we got A plus B value. Now variance given. What is the variance formula? Sigma square, that is equal to 1 by n into sigma xi square minus 1 by n sigma xi whole square. This is, and sigma square already we know that is 13.5, that is equal to 1 by n means that is 1 by 8. Now sigma xi square, that is 25, 49 plus 100 plus 144 plus 196 plus 225 plus a square plus b square. This is 1 by n sigma xi square minus, this is mean. Mean already we know that 10, that is 10 square. Now do the calculation completely. We get 908, that is equal to a square plus b square, a square plus b square plus 739. This is, now finally what is the a square plus b square value? That is 169. So we got a plus b and a square plus b square also. Now we need to find ab. So what is a square plus b square formula? A square plus b square. Sorry, a plus b whole square minus 2ab, that is equal to 169, because a square plus b square formula a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A plus b means already we know that 17. 17 square, how much? 289 minus 2ab, that is equal to 169. Finally, after calculation we get AB value is 60. Next, now we need to find modulus of A minus B. That means A minus B whole square. What is the formula? A plus B whole square minus 2AB. A plus B whole square minus 4AB, sorry, 4AB. This is 4. What is A plus B value? 17. 17 square, 289 minus AB value already we know that 60. 60 into 4, 240. Now 289 minus 240, that is 49. This is modulus of A minus B whole square value. But they are asking only modulus of A minus B. Squares and right hand side, square root of 49, that is 7. This is also easy question, but calculation. Now I'm going to 13th question. See the 13th question, what they are given. From a point 3 comma 3 on the hyperbola, x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. A normal is drawn which cuts x-axis at 9 comma 0. Then value of a square comma e square. Now first draw the normal, sorry, hyperbola. So I'm going to draw that only one curve, or you can take here also, no problem. This is tangent at 3 comma 3. This is normal. This point is, what is that? 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3. And this is 9 comma 0. First here observe that 3 comma 3 is lies on the parabola. Substitute, we get 9 by a square minus 9 by b square, that is equal to 1. Now this is small calculation. 1 by a square minus 1 by b square, that is equal to 1 by 9. So in this case we got like this. And what is equation of normal to the hyperbola? Formula already we know that. That is a square x by x1 plus b square y by y1, that is 3, that is equal to a square plus b square. And the normal is passing through 9 comma 0. Substitute 9 by 3, here we get 3a square. This is completely 0, that is equal to a square plus b square. And a square is on left hand side, 2a square is equal to b square, or 1 by a square is equal to, we get 2 by b square. See once calculation, 2 by b square. Now substitute here, 1 by a square means how much we get? How much we get? That is 2 by b square minus 1 by b square, that is equal to 1 by 9. 2 by b square minus 1 by b square means this is 1 by b square, that is equal to 1 by 9. Finally, b square value is 9. And substitute here, 2a square is equal to 9. A square value 9 by 2. Now I am going to find eccentricity, e square. What is e square formula? E square is equal to 1 plus b square divided by a square. B square by a square means, here see that 2 or not. B square divided by a square value is 2. Substitute here. 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. Finally, what they are asking? A square comma e square. A square value is how much? 9 by 2. E square value 3. This is the answer. So by using two relations, we got a square and e square value. I think students, all of you understood now. Still now not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. Thank you.